Hello, how you doing? All right. Here you are. Okay, my pleasure as always. Thank you. You too. Happy New Year. UberEats, Doordash, all those guys.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You make good over there?
It's okay, you know.
I always see you around.
Oh,
man.
yeah. I mean, you know,
Hustling, man.
it pay per the delivery. So the more you do, the more you make.
Nice,
So,
nice.
yes, indeed.
So you do from where Nanakudi to here?
Yeah, pretty much. I try to stay up here on the Waianae side.
Right.
Not a cool. You got to go on faster roads to get there. So this only do 30 miles an hour.
Oh, nice.
But